Hey guys, it's Collector Geeks here. We're back at it again for another episode here. We're going to try to see if we can get that Bubble Mew. In my last episode here, we tried opening up some Fusion Strikes and gotten only one card. And that kind of sucked out of that 10 packs. That's kind of brutal, but again, does happen. If I was going to get it, someone else would have. So we're going to try to open up some Paldean Fates here and hopefully pull some amazing cards here. I did not open it so you can see that it's sealed. And I'm just going to open up. These guys were going for about $59.95. So not cheap anymore. I think back in the day, these things were like 30 bucks or something like that. 40 bucks. So it's gone up. I do have a key here. Maybe I can just use my key here to open it up. It's pretty tough to open up. You guys, it might be a little bit hard for me to open up. There we go. First box open. Maybe I should just open the second one too. So we're out of the way. Oh, sorry, it's too big. My bad. I like to show you guys that I'm opening it up too, right? It's just not going to be, you're not seeing me just, opening and all that kind of fun stuff. All right, cool. Cool tin overall. I like the tin. Pretty sick tin. Can't complain. Comes with 5 packs each. Comes with the cool promo. Cannot hate on the promo card. Pretty cool. Cool card for you guys. Don't care. Nice card overall. Wow. Full art. Comes with a pretty cool full art. So can't complain with that. If I can just fit it in the sleeve here. There we go. We'll set that one right there. And then we got 5 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty cool overall. We'll set this tin aside. Just keep it over there. Here's these 5. Maybe I'll open this tin up too and get all those things out of here as well. And it'll be good overall. So pretty cool. Shiny. No. Disasters are occurring while I'm videoing this. 5 packs. We'll leave that right there. So in total, we got 10 packs. Let's put that there. And see what we can get overall. We'll set you on the opposite side. And we'll see what the packs. So pretty cool. Okay. So we got 5 packs in 10 packs in total, like we did last time for like Fusion Strikes. We'll see what we can pull in general. See that? I'm mixing it up. Don't know what order it'll be in. Whatever we pull. And we'll see what we got. Maybe not, right? I'm just gonna set this right here for you guys so you guys can have that there. Perfect. A little more spaces around there. Okay. All right, guys. Let's start opening up and see what we got. I'm a big fan of this set in general, the Paldean Fate. It's all the baby shinies I enjoy getting out of it. I think that's my biggest thing. It's like a win no matter what in this set. And I enjoy. To the front. There we go. My hand just moves too quick. So let's do that instead for you guys. And okay. I think I have this, but that's okay. A hit is a hit in this set. It's pretty good overall there. Is there any other chase cards in here? There's a Charizard apparently in this set. I'm not sure. I don't really care about the Charizard. After that, Bubble Mew. Oops, sorry there. Ooh, shiny hit. That is awesome. Fuck, that's a cool shiny. Oh man, sorry for the cussing. That is. Your shiny is so beautiful. Look at that. What a nice card. Like, overall, man, this is why I like this. It's a guarantee. Like, to me, these are hits. I don't know why people don't consider these hits. To me, they are. These are considered hits. Like, you don't get to have that kind of fun, right? Like, to me, it's just, that's why I like this set so much. There's always something cool about it you get, and that's why I enjoy it. Enjoy this set. It's always going to be something good. Here you guys go, maybe with the... Okay. There's some shine in that back, I can see. We'll get to it. I know you guys can see it. I can see it. It's a cool shine, but we have to wait for it. Like everyone else. Like a shine. Oh, man. Dang. That's a pretty cool hit, too. Toxic. That's a cool shiny. Get it in the sleeve. There you guys go. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day in general. Hopefully your guys' New Year's is going really well. Mine started off a little shitty, I should say, in general. Getting my car fixed at the 2nd day of January. That kind of sucks, but hey, it does happen. Supporter. And a regular hair. We got a lot of bulk here. Kind of organize that while we do this. If I can ever eventually get to like a live stream, I will. And I could open up packs like there and just for shits and giggles. Maybe I get you guys to order some out too, and we can have fun that way and pull some cards too. That'd be pretty cool. Eventually, that's what I'll do. I think over stream would be pretty cool to do that kind of stuff in general. Nevertheless, after the last 5 packs. So overall, some hits that are not bad. Can't complain. 3 out of 4 in that first one, right? So that's not bad. That's a pretty good ratio. 2 still baby shinies and an EX. Can't go wrong. If this box wasn't so expensive, it would have been even better, but it is what it is. There's some shine to the back there. You can see, but we'll get to it. Oh, yeah, another illustration rare. I have this too. Not a bad illustration rare, though. Pulled it in my, I think, episode 2 of Paldean, the booster box. Got 36 packs of this. But pretty good, pretty good. Can't complain. We'll set that guy there. You guys can read that. Cool. Again, guys, new to YouTubing, new to opening up packs, newer stuff in general. I'm a noob in general. I pulled something. Dang. I didn't mean to do that. It just kind of happened. My bad. I was moving too fast. But, ooh, that's a nice shiny too. Full art. That's a sick Sick one right there, hey? Look at that. Full art. Sit shoot there. My hands are just too tough on stuff. I just want to get right to the back. There we go. Yeah, like I was saying, new to YouTube, new to opening cards in general and all that kind of fun stuff. I just really want you guys to enjoy yourselves a little bit more. And a trainer. Ooh, shit. Is that a secret rare? It is. Oh, that's a nice... Whew, look at that shine on it. Oh, that Pokeball. I don't know how much it's worth, but who cares about that? It's a really cool card. I think it is a secret rare. Maybe not like a super secret rare, but it's a secret rare. That's a nice hit too. 2 full arts. 1 trainer, 1 that. That's a deadly combination of cards we got out of this set in general. I'll take it any day. That is a ooh. Good card. I don't know why I keep going backwards on it. I just kind of do. Let's see. Oh, he got too fast. Another one. Dang, what the heck is this? Packs are out of 2 Paldeans. Holy smokes. Oh, man. Tentacruel. God dang. That is a pretty hefty box. Like 2 containers, and this is what I'm pulling. Like, trainer, full arts, illustration rare. That's intense. You don't see that very often in general. But again, this is why I like Paldean Fate a lot. The hits. People are saying Crown Zenith is like this. I'm thinking of buying a booster box. It might be pricey, but it might be worth it. Pull that Giratina in there as well. I already have one, but I kind of would love to open a set in general. The other one is Lost Origin. I heard is a really good set, but it's a very, very hard to find that Giratina in there. Hey, as well. We'll see if I can pull it. I'll still keep pulling Paldean Fates as much as I possibly can. Really, really want to keep doing it. I enjoy this set. And I really just like collecting what I can get out of it. Nothing out of that. I don't blame it. That's a pretty solid hit over. We have on our last pack, guys, here. See if we can get anything on here. And then we'll go over my hits real quickly on this set. Ooh, sorry. So Pikachu is going to be the last hitter here. Maybe we'll pull something with Pikachu, maybe not. Fusion Strikes, yeah, kind of striked me out. That's how I think of it. That's a pun, just so you're all aware. Oh, man. Maybe open from the back. A lot of people don't like buying loose packs. Those Fusion Strikes, by the way, were in a booster box, just loose packs in there. So maybe, I don't know. It's hard to say, right? Can't win them all, but would love to win them all. It's hard sometimes, right? Can't always win. But look at that Gengar. It's taunting me. Came there just to taunt me. Ooh, that's a cool. I don't think I have that. That's, oh man. That I'll take any day. Another shiny hit, little baby hit. I'll take that. That's a sick hit. Well, guys, I'll thank you guys again. Like, I'll go over my review before anything, but thank you for watching. And please do like and subscribe. It does help the channel out, grow the community as much as possible. And hopefully one day we can be as big as these other other YouTubers one day, hopefully. Don't say we will, but maybe. So here's the hits. See, this is a cool combo, right? You get the baby shiny, then you get the full illustration. That's pretty cool. And then you have Tentacool, you have the promo, you have a trainer, got that, got this goes with that. Like, pretty much, like, that's a pretty good 2 boxes. I can't really complain. That's a sick hit. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next episode. Stay healthy and see ya.